Meghalaya Chief Minister on Tuesday met Union Coal and Mines Minister in New Delhi and urged the centre to delegate powers to the state under Section 26 of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957 to grant prior approvals and approve coal mining plans. Accompanied by the MLA of Sutungna Saipung in East Jaintia Hills, Santa Maricela, the Chief Minister said the move would enable thousands of small tribal coal owners to secure lawful mining concessions within the state. He maintained that Meghalaya's unique 6th scheduled status, where land and mineral ownership rests with individuals, clans and communities, required a different approach from the rest of the country. Sangma further stated that the existing minimum concession area of 100 hectares had excluded most genuine coal holders, while the requirement to obtain approvals from Delhi and Calcutta imposed an undue burden on small miners. He also noted that the 2014 ban on rat hole mining had severely affected livelihoods and reduced state's revenue. The Chief Minister urged the centre to fulfill its earlier commitment by issuing the necessary notifications delegating approval powers to Meghalaya and submitted a detailed representation to the Union Minister. Reddy, in response, suggested constituting a committee to examine the matter, a proposal welcomed by the Chief Minister, with the committee expected to be formed shortly.
We just had a meeting with the Honourable Minister for Mining and for Coal, Government of India, Shri Kishan Reddy ji, and discussed in detail with all the officials regarding the mining situation, especially to do with coal in the state of Meghalaya. And the response was extremely positive, and Honourable Minister has directed that a committee should be formed immediately to look into the ways and means in which we'll be able to help the smaller miners in our state and be able to give the opportunity for them to move in a legal way, which is a challenge as of now. And therefore, a very, very positive, constructive meeting was held. Very soon we'll be forming this committee and we'll look into the ways and means, keeping in mind obviously the constitutional provisions, keeping in mind the legal acts and other aspects, and yet looking at the local situation in Meghalaya and being able to find a solution so that our small time miners can benefit from the changes that will take place. So it was a very positive meeting, and once again I thank the Honourable Minister for his time as well as for his concern and his direction for us to move forward. Thank you so much.